The importance of intimacy after 50. Hello and welcome to Women's Sexuality. Have you ever wondered what happens when sex becomes less frequent or disappears after 50? If so, you are not alone. Many people experience changes in their intimate lives as they age and aren't sure how to navigate them. Today, Grandma's wise advice is here to share valuable insights and experience. We'll explore the challenges, emotional and physical effects, and, most importantly, the solutions that can help maintain intimacy and connection as we age. Whether you're experiencing this yourself or know someone who is, this discussion is for you. So, grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's talk about the reality of intimacy after 50, because it's never too late to keep the spark alive. Why does intimacy change after 50? First, let's talk about the biological and psychological changes that affect intimacy as we age. It's normal, but many people don't understand why it happens or how to address it. For men, aging can lead to a gradual decline in testosterone levels, affecting sex drive and performance. Possible erectile difficulties, which can be frustrating and emotionally challenging. Lower energy levels and stress, which can decrease the desire for intimacy. For women, changes include menopause, which brings a drop in estrogen levels, affecting libido, mood, and vaginal lubrication. Body image concerns, feeling less attractive due to aging changes. A shift in emotional needs, where connection and affection become more important than just the act of sex. These changes are natural, but they don't mean intimacy has to disappear. Instead, they present an opportunity to redefine what intimacy means in a relationship. The emotional and psychological impact of a lack of intimacy. When physical intimacy declines, it doesn't just affect the bedroom, it affects the heart and mind. Many couples start feeling disconnected, even if they still love each other deeply. Some common emotions people experience. Loneliness. Even if you're married or in a relationship, you can feel emotionally distant from your partner without intimacy. Frustration. When one partner wants more intimacy and the other is uninterested, it can create tension and misunderstandings. Low self-esteem. Both men and women may feel less desirable or worry they are no longer attractive to their partner. Depression and anxiety. Lack of physical connection can increase stress levels, making it harder to cope with life's challenges. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be this way. Common myths about sex after 50. Before we dive into solutions, let's debunk some harmful myths about sex and aging. Myth number 1. Sex after 50 is no longer important. Many people assume that sex and intimacy don't matter after a certain age. But research shows that staying sexually active can improve both physical and mental health, including better heart function, improved mood, and a stronger immune system. Myth number 2. If the spark is gone, it can't come back. Wrong. Many couples reignite their sex life in their 50s, 60s, and beyond by adapting to their changing bodies and focusing on new forms of intimacy. Myth number 3. Only intercourse matters in a relationship. Intimacy isn't just about intercourse. Holding hands, kissing, touching, and emotional closeness all contribute to a fulfilling relationship. Myth number 4. Men always want more sex, and women lose interest. While it's true that hormonal changes can affect desire differently in men and women, intimacy is a two-way street. Many men experience a drop in libido, while many women still crave connection and closeness. Now that we've cleared up these myths, let's explore real solutions to maintaining a fulfilling intimate life after 50. Practical solutions for a healthy sex life after 50. 1. Open communication. The key to connection. The most important step in maintaining intimacy is talking openly with your partner. Express your needs, concerns, and desires without judgment or pressure. Ask your partner how they feel about intimacy and what they need from you. Don't avoid the conversation. Silence creates distance. A simple, "I miss being close to you," can start a deeper conversation that brings you closer together. 2. Exploring new forms of intimacy. Sex doesn't have to look the same as it did in your 20s or 30s. In fact, many couples find new and creative ways to enjoy intimacy. Sensual massages. Touch is powerful. A simple massage can reignite passion. Cuddling and physical affection, holding hands, hugging, and spooning create connection. Date nights, spending quality time together fosters emotional closeness. Trying something new, whether it's romantic getaways, reading about sexual wellness, or even experimenting with new techniques, learning together can be fun and exciting. 3. Addressing physical challenges. If physical changes are affecting intimacy, there are solutions. For women, lubricants, hormone therapy, and pelvic floor exercises can improve comfort. For men, lifestyle changes, stress management, and medical treatments can help with performance concerns. For both, regular exercise, a healthy diet, and reducing alcohol intake can improve overall well-being and sexual health. 4. Seeking professional help. There's no shame in seeking medical or therapeutic support. Many couples benefit from speaking with a doctor about hormone replacement therapy or other treatments, seeing a sex therapist or relationship counselor for guidance, joining a support group or community focused on healthy aging and relationships. The benefits of maintaining intimacy after 50. When couples actively work on intimacy, they experience many benefits. Stronger emotional connection, feeling close and understood by your partner. Better overall health. Studies show that sexual activity reduces stress, boosts immunity, and improves heart health. Increased happiness and confidence. A fulfilling intimate life enhances self-esteem and overall life satisfaction. Final thoughts. It's never too late to reignite passion. As we wrap up, I want to remind you of something important. Intimacy is not about age, it's about connection. Whether you're 50, 60, or beyond, you deserve to feel loved, wanted, and connected. With communication, patience, and effort, you and your partner can rediscover intimacy in new and beautiful ways. Your turn. Let's talk. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Did any part of this discussion resonate with you? What are your experiences with intimacy after 50? What advice would you give to others? Drop a comment below. Your insights help build a supportive and open-minded community. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to join us. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay connected, stay confident, and never stop exploring love.